Day's come. Bit of a reunion at the workshop. Yeah, workshop sold, so moving the Sil80 out. Take it home for a bit. Got another workshop stuff, so yeah, get me. Fuck, she's looking good, eh? Go home with the Hilux. Sweet ass. Let's go. Sure, G.
Oh well, take two, the Sil80 didn't fit, so what we got planned is jack up the Sil80 so the front end rolls under the Sil80 just enough so we can close the front door. Yeah, I'd say a little bit more. You right, cat? Hello. Rah, rah, rah. Oh, missed it.
Sweet ass.
So the plan here is we're actually making a Sil80 Sil80 limo.
Yeah, that'd be cool, eh?
Just gonna chop there, weld it together.
Maximum drift taxi.
Yeah. 8-wheeler limo.
Oh, damn, they're perfect.
Oh no, hang on. Perfect. Sorted. What a rig, what a setup. That's good.
Wowee, another interesting tow from the bow. Put pennies on it now. Relocating to the new workshop. Got the bro Geordie behind me driving the bro in front of me, Paddy's K20. So yeah, the fucking Sil80 couldn't fit on the trailer. That was a bit of a fucking nightmare. Damn, hot boy, fucking too wide, too low spec. But fuck, she sounds like a tractor. Jesus. How good. Stay tuned. Yeah, fucking mid. Cheer the boys. Yeah, we're in there. Bro Paddy, Bead. Paddy's K20. Bead, the man fabricator. So yeah, 4HZ going, 7HZ going in the 20, I reckon. Crashed ass fucking Subi by some fucking rookie over here. He's not even gonna fucking spin a spanner at all, I reckon. He'll watch us do it. But yeah, new workshop, it's going good. Fucking all the rigs down here now. A few more to come, but fuck yeah, stoked. Couple hoists, tire machine. Fucking mint. Surely some good content coming up. The master fabricator over here gonna teach the ropes. You know, good first night down at the workshop, I suppose. Pulling Geordie's motor up. Definitely need to bring my camera down so I can film a bit more of this shit. We definitely should have emptied the fucking gearbox first. I've done this so many times but never learned, eh? Like the amount of times I'm like, fuck! Save all the gearbox fluid under there fucking holding it up while you fucking take it, manhandling it out, eh? Shot out, Geordie.
For our lads. Cheers, boys.
Correct it. Yeah, no, there's an empty hole in the fucking... No motor in that one. Just cooked on the floor now.
The next day.
What's up, T? Yeah, new workshop. Bloody into it. Gonna pull the motor of that out today because I snapped onto the pressure plate bolt, so it's only a 5 bolt pressure plate at the moment, so that's not safe. I've been losing sleep over that because knowing I just have to pull it back out. So yeah, that's pretty cool, eh? All in the new workshop now though, basically. I'll give you guys a bit of a tour, eh? So this is the downstairs part. Got the Sil80 Bounty, the rig. But yeah, she's been used and abused. There's a whole bunch of shit that was left there. Poker table from the last place. Just been wiring up a few speakers. Got one more to go on that side. But yeah, it's downstairs. Old Frank. Upstairs. Geordie's Subi engine. Geordie's Subi. Got a hoist. 2 hoists. So yeah. There we go. Here's STI. WRX tuned by STI. Fancy, but yeah, he done did stack the front of it. Similar boat as the Ceph, but not as bad. So he's only got crimples there, whereas my floor crimpled as well. Yeah, got the Bro Paddy's K20. This thing's fucking sick. It's just had all the inside and the outside painted. It's done all the interior. It's got a A86 LSD. It's got a bunch of adjusties and big dog brakes to go into. You know what I mean? All the Willwood brakes. Previous owner's shit. But yeah. Yeah, fucks. Heaps of fucks. No, it's a mean wee setup though. Fucking way more well equipped than the last workshop. Probably similar size as well, give or take. But yeah, tire machine, balancer, all that jazz. Pretty stoked. Can't wait. Bloody rip into it, get the Sil80 going. Bloody miserable day down here today, tell you. But yeah, fucking Geordie made a mess last night. We probably should have drained the gearbox. But yeah, no, rookies. Yeah, no, I better get into it. Pulled the motor out of the Sil80. So yeah, well secure workshop this time. Well, the last one was pretty secure, but this one's got a bloody petrol station out the front with cameras, and then there's panel beaters and engineers out there with cameras too. So, whee! Time to rip this out. Might set up a time lapse yet. Who knows? Didn't bring the tripod down, so yeah. I don't know if everyone remembers what this was up to. It's been a wee while since I posted a video. 2J sitting in there, gearbox attached, wheels on, seats in, interior all painted. Fucking mint. New radiator for it. Just noticed that it's fucking leaking a bit of oil from upstairs. But yeah, my terrible paint job. No, you know. Yeah, we had a bloody nightmare trying to fucking had a bloody nightmare trying to get it onto the trailer that we had. So we fucking ended up just towing it down, like towed it away from the workshop too. But yeah, no, bloody good. Even fucking trying to get it onto the trailer, fucking the front bumper took some shit. So that's cool. Yeah, see how we get on. That's that. 2 Josie out. Shot our Brendan, protecting the headlights. Man, time to tear it down and fix my snapped bolt out of there. Take the gearbox off first. And we'll actually put the damage on video this time. Not just fucking hide it and hope it goes away. I love a good 5-bolt pressure plate. Especially with how much abuse this thing's gonna get. I'm gonna have to sort that out. So much it's gonna need a white ribbon, eh? Yeah. Yeah, 2JZ tear down. To the corner. While it's out as well, figure out what to do with all these fucking water lines and stuff though.
All the extra pipe work, yeah. So much extra shit on.
Fuel lines and stuff.
Vacuum lines.
I just put it in to fucking get it out the way basically, yeah.
Yeah, so you could move it around. Yeah. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. It's your boy JC in the building. Well,
Now it's stuck on the bearing.
yeah.
Man. Success. Yeah, there's the snap bolt. Snapped. Yeah, take all the clutch and shit off again anyway to realign that spigot bearing. It'll be right as rain. Shot out, Geordie! Me, no.
Yeah, good.
Cracked it. Got the fucking snap bolt out. Fucking menta! That's what we're after. Young poker night. Random footage that might be in bloopers. I don't know. 2JZ hanging. Boys playing poker. Copyright music.